Okay, class, time to turn to page 420 on your textbooks.
Pick up 3.
How the weekend? What did you guys do?
Got some sick M80s bombas out.
Oh, I got some fireworks this weekend too, man.
Okay, class, please turn to page 420 on your ISM.
Oh, okay. What page?
Page 420.
Does my notebook even have that many pages? Probably it does. Probably does.
I don't.
Were we supposed to get a handout for this?
Yeah, it was right at the front door.
Oh.
I'll go grab
How
it.
many were we supposed to pick up?
Pick it up,
2.
Alex.
Yeah, you
I
want to
got
pick
you
it up?
guys.
Man,
Pick up
this
1.
got so many pages.
Pick up 2.
How? I get
Pick
2?
up
2 guys, there's
Alright.
2.
Okay.
2 fatty papers.
Okay.
Here we go.
I got the handout, guys.
Alright. Nice.
Yeah.
Look it up. Fat.
Okay.
Okay, guys, it's been a long day. Okay, now from chapter 8, we'll be describing chemical equations, types of chemical equations, indications of chemical reactions, making chemical equations, coefficients, and balancing chemical equations.
Wait, what page?
And now,
I don't have a pencil.
Oh,
we ran out of
Yeah.
tape. Oh, nice.
okay, now we got 4 indicators for a chemical reaction. 1, evolution of energy as heat or light. 2, formation of a precipitate. 3, production of a gas. And 4, color change. Okay, now, coefficient is a small whole number in front of a formula in a chemical equation. You guys got that? Now, I would like to talk to you about word equations. Word equations can be qualitative. Example, methane and oxygen yields carbon dioxide and water. Or they can be replaced with formulas. An example would be CH4 plus O2 yields CO2 plus H2O. Okay, class, I think that's enough abuse of my materials now.
What?
Yeah, positive statement.
Yeah.
I'm taking notes.
Yeah, come on.
Those pipettes are from home.
Sorry, what was the last thing you said?
Okay, CO2 plus
Your notes.
H2O.
Yeah, man.
Now, you can also balance these regular formula equations with coefficients to make them balanced. For example, you can have 1 CH4 plus 2 O2, which would yield 1 CO2 plus 2 H2O. Now, we're on to symbols.
That's cute.
Now, we have many different symbols here. One would be a yield symbol. We can also have reversible reactions, precipitate reactions, gas production reactions, reactions
Can you show us
that are heated.
the symbols on the projector, please?
Yes, I could, actually. Here you go, guys. Now you guys can just copy that.
Can you go up a little bit?
Yeah, can you
No,
move it
down, down, up, left,
No.
left,
If you
up,
could, like, if you could,
up, no,
if you
up,
could just
the
keep
other
going.
way.
Okay,
forgive
class. Now, we're going to be talking about balancing chemical equations. The first step is to identify the names of the reactants and the products, and then write the word equation. An example would be water yields hydrogen and oxygen. Then you write the formula equation by substituting the correct formula for the names of the reactants and products, and not balanced chemical equation. An example would be H2O yields H2 plus O2. Okay, class, I think that's enough of that.
What?
We need to focus on chemistry. We only have few short semesters before school ends.
Alright.
To balance the formula equation correctly, we need to follow the law of conservation of mass. So we need to balance one atom at a time. And the first balanced atom would be metal. Now first you balance the atoms of elements that are combined and appear on each side. Then you balance the polyatomic ions that appear on both sides as a single unit. Then you balance the hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms after all other elements have been balanced. Now guys, we're going to talk about the activity series of elements. Now, the definition of activity is an element's ability to react. Now, the activity series is a list of elements organized according to ease with which they undergo chemical reactions. Metals generally lose electrons to form positive ions, and nonmetals usually gain electrons to form negative ions. Now, the order the list is determined by is single displacement reactions. The most active is at the top of the list and can replace each of the elements below, and can predict whether a chemical reaction will bones up. Now we can see now the activity of halogens very clearly. F2 is at the top, I2 is at the bottom, Cl and Br in the middle. And then we can see the activity series of metals, a little bit more complex. We can see that it's increasing reactivity as we go higher and decreasing as we go lower. Okay class, so at the upper portion of the activity series, they react mostly with cold water and acids, replacing hydrogen, and also with oxygen to form oxides. Now, so this level before it, under that, it reacts more with steam but not cold water and acids, while also reacting with oxygen to form oxides. Now, the level even lower before that does not even react with water at all. And while it reacts with acids, replacing hydrogen and oxygen to form oxides. And finally, the least reactive elements react with oxygen to form oxides only. We also have some extra elements right here. What the? It's my phone. Really? That's today? Well, I wasn't planning on it, but I am a little bit excited for it. Okay, well, talk to you later. Okay, class, I'm sorry, but I accidentally scheduled a plumber to snake my pipes today, and I gotta go home and show him around. Now, just finish the lab while I'm gone. It should only take a little while. Okay, class, I'm leaving. Please do your lab safely. And Peter, wake up!
Peter, gotta do our lab.
Time to do the lab, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
science. Huh. Be sure to exhibit proper lab safety during a class.
Where did that come from?
Proper eye safety. Keep food and drinks away from the lab area. Always wear closed-toed shoes during lab.
Alright, let's do the synthesis reaction first.
That's a reaction where two or more substances react to form a single substance.
Oh, like A plus B yields AB?
Oh,
Whoa, so much synthesis.
it all makes sense now.
Such
It's a
wow.
nice lab safety technique.
Okay.
Okay, now let's do a decomposition reaction.
That's a reaction where a compound breaks down into two or more simpler structures.
AB equals A plus B?
Exactly.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, look at that decomposition.
Oh, wow.
Alright, let's do single displacement reaction next.
Oh yeah, isn't that where the reaction of one element takes place with another in a compound?
Yeah, that's AB plus C yields BC plus A.
Dude, exactly. Also, you will fit. Whoa. Look at that single displacement.
I'm just amazed, just by the magic of everyday life. So guys, we're doing a double displacement reaction now.
Okay, so that's a reaction where two compounds exchange positive ions and form two new compounds.
Like AB plus BC yields AC plus BD.
Exactly. Oh my gosh, so much double displacement.
So weird it looks exactly the same as all the other ones.
No, it doesn't.
Guys, you forgot to do the combustion reaction.
Oh no. We still got time.
Word.
Combustion, a reaction in which a substance reacts rapidly with oxygen to produce heat and light.